Sunday Night Brew coming your way from my beer garden. Now the featured beer comes from the Belching Beaver Brewery in San Diego, California. It's their Peanut Butter Milk Stout, 5.3% alcohol by volume. It's a medium-bodied beer with a creamy light finish, and as you can see, it has a dark auburn color to it. Now the aroma is of roasted peanuts and dark chocolate plus coffee for coffee lovers, and it has a taste of candied peanut butter and light chocolate. It's the Peanut Butter Milk Stout from the Belching Beaver Brewery in San Diego, California, where their desire is for you to have a damn good time. Get it? Beaver, damn. Hey, Sunday Night Brew, the only thing missing is you. Cheers and happy drinking.